Many rumors say that Apple might come out with a foldable iPhone in 2026. If this happens, they would be 7 years behind Samsung, which came out with their own flexible display phone in 2019. According to a news story, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 might have at least 2 benefits over the first folding iPhone. A Chinese account called Digital Chat Station shared some information about the folding iPhone. It said that this device has a 5.25-inch screen on the front and a 7.58-inch screen that folds out to be on the inside, as well as 2 cameras on the back. Reports say that the gadget will have a camera under its inner display and a cover display cutout shaped like a punch hole for one of its cameras that faces the front. If this information is correct, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 screens will be bigger than those on the folding iPhone. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 has an 8-inch foldable screen and a 6.5-inch cover screen. The successor is definitely going to have screens that are at least that big, but they might have different visual aspect ratios. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 has 3 cameras on its back. There is a 200-megapixel camera with optical zoom, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera with focusing, and a 10-megapixel telephoto camera with 3 times optical zoom. Some people are saying that the folding iPhone will have a 48-megapixel main camera with OIS and an ultra-wide camera on the back. It likely won't have a zoom camera that is only for it. People say that under-display cameras have worse picture quality than regular cameras that are placed in cuts shaped like punch holes on the display. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 has 2 screens, and each one has a 10-megapixel camera on it that faces forward. So, if the Galaxy Z Fold 8 has front cameras that are at least as good as the iPhone's, it could be better than the folding iPhone. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 and the folding iPhone are expected to come out in the second half of 2026. Also, Samsung's next phone might have better cameras and bigger screens. But we'll have to wait and see if better tech really does lead to better quality. So with that being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.